이 오만한 카렌은 이 경찰관을 가장 잔인한 방식으로 공격하려고 하고 있습니다. 그리고 그 결과를 뼈저리게 경험하게 될 것입니다.
Get out of here. Get the
Hey, let me go.
하지만 이건 멍청한 카렌들이 경찰과 싸우려다가 큰 코 다친 5가지 사례 중 하나일 뿐입니다. 법을 무시하면 안 되는 이유를 알아봅시다. 2022년 4월 26일 정지된 등록 차량을 운전 중이던 제니로즈 손터스의 사건부터 시작하겠습니다. 그러나 지역 경찰이 그녀에게 이 문제를 지적하려 하자 그녀는 절대 잊을 수 없는 밤을 만들어주기로 결심했습니다.
How are you, man? Officer Baltar, Scotsman, please. Your license registration insurance?
Yeah, thank you. I'm.
You have your
calling
license.
my-
You have your license registration insurance?
Yeah, not a problem. Thank you.
I need your license. Ma'am, your license, registration, and insurance. If you don't comply, I will break the window and you will be placed under arrest. Do you understand that?
전형적인 카렌답게 그녀는 최대한 어색하게 굴기 시작하네요. 그리고 경찰들과 대화하기를 완강히 거부합니다. 이 사건이 이렇게 끝났다면 그냥 경찰관들의 평범한 하루로 끝났겠죠. 하지만 이건 충격적이고 매우 위험한 상황의 시작일 뿐이었습니다.
Ma'am, step out of the vehicle.
Sorry, I'm trying to call someone to
Good.
make sure that I'm
Step
safe.
out of the vehicle. You are safe. Stop.
I don't feel safe. I do not feel safe.
Don't trap my
Feel safe.
Don't trap my arm.
Whoa, what are you
Hey,
doing?
ma'am,
right
lower
now?
the window. You're gonna hurt this
Lower
officer.
your window.
Ma'am, lower
your
the
window with your other arm.
Ma'am, lower
your
the
window.
지금 이 경찰관은 갇혀서 움직일 수가 없습니다. 근데 여자는 전혀 신경도 안 쓰네요. 창문을 내리고 지시에 따르는 대신 상황을 더 심각하게 만들기로 했습니다.
You are now under arrest.
Grabbing
Ma'am,
You are
lower
now
the
under
window.
arrest.
Ma'am, lower the window.
You are now under.
Ma'am,
Stop.
Ow!
ma'am, lower the window. Ma'am, lower the window. Ah, ma'am, lower the window. And an additional unit. Car. Get out of the car.
Why?
You're arrested now.
Why? What did I do? I'm
Aggravated
just trying to
assault,
call
officer.
my lawyer.
Aggravated
Raise the
assault.
window, an officer. Let me open this.
I didn't realize he could put my.
Can we open this door?
Why are you guys
Ma'am,
doing this right
ma'am,
now?
you're under arrest.
Stop.
What did I
already.
do? Can you tell me what I did,
You're
you
arrested for
guys?
aggravated assault against a police officer.
Can you
Come on.
tell me
Ma'am,
what I did?
You're,
I
you're
am
under
hurt
arrest.
here.
You're under arrest.
Under arrest
Step
for
out of the
what?
car.
Step out of the car.
Out of the fence.
Turn around.
Step out of the
Hands
car.
behind your back.
Against the
Under arrest for what? Can you tell me?
aggravated assault.
How is there aggravated assault? Could you please tell me?
이런 카렌들은 꼭 자기한테 유리한 말만 듣는 선택적 청력을 가지고 있습니다. 그리고 자기한테 도움되는 말만 고르려고 합니다. 처음엔 단순히 교통법 위반으로 멈춘 거였는데 오해나 잘못된 신고일 수도 있었겠지요. 하지만 그녀의 폭력과 무지로 인해 폭행죄와 깨진 창문에 대한 배상비까지 얻게 됐습니다.
Pat her down real quick. Yeah, search her now.
Serious right now?
Yeah, you're under arrest.
Do you have a mother? Do you have a sister?
We're past that already. You're under arrest for aggravated assault. He told you multiple times to lower your window, open the door, and then when he put his arm through your window and you intentionally raised the window
said I am
and then hurt
trying-
this officer, now you're under arrest for aggravated assault. And plus,
You are accusing me of something I did not do.
you're not.
right now.
You're under arrest.
Are you guys serious right now?
Step into the vehicle, watch your head.
Yeah, so can I?
Step into the vehicle and watch your head.
이 사건에서 가장 충격적인 점은 이 여자가 술에 취하지도 않았고 약물도 하지 않았다는 사실입니다. 그녀는 그저 특권의식에 취해 있을 뿐이며 최악의 증상을 보여주고 있습니다.
So you're not giving me any chance to retrieve my stuff or make sure my things are okay?
Stay there.
Why? You're not going to tell me why I was pulled over to
Ma'am,
begin
watch your
with?
foot. Watch your foot. You explain everything. Just watch your foot.
No, you're not. You're not explaining.
그리고 상황은 경찰서에 가도 나아지지 않았습니다.
Do you guys plan when I put your hands against the wall? On the wall. On them.
I really do not.
Alright, do you want to
touch
get
the wall.
obstruction too?
I
But
already
you're
got
not following instructions is your
They're
problem.
on the wall.
No, they're not. They're not touching. Put
Are
them,
you gonna clean
put
them?
them on the wall.
Are
and
you
I'm not
gonna
going to
clean
tell
them?
you again.
So could you clean it for me, please?
Do you? No.
Oh,
Your
yeah,
hands
so
on the
then
wall.
I'm putting them on the wall.
Ma'am, I'm not going to
They're
have
not
sex with
moving.
you.
They're not moving. I
Place
assure
them.
you.
I don't want your shirt.
Can I pee?
want no.
Can I
Put
pee?
your hands on the wall now.
I mean-
I'm not asking you a question.
Can I pee?
Place your arms on the wall. If I have to hold them, I will
Can
hold
I
them
pee,
when
please?
I'm done.
Wow.
Wow. If somebody could just, listen, it would be so hard, right? It would be done already.
I'm so sorry that you have set the life, because I do too. But Jesus, you picked the wrong job. Yeah, I picked the wrong job. Yeah, you did.
다행히도 지니 로즈는 이번에 뼈아픈 교훈을 배웠습니다. 그녀는 경찰관 폭행, 체포 거부, 그리고 공무집행방해 혐의로 기소되었고 뉴저지에서 발부된 체포 영장과 펜실베이니아에서의 도주자 영장이 있는 것이 빠르게 밝혀졌습니다. 지니 로즈가 법의 반대편에 선 것은 이번이 처음이 아니었던 것이죠. 하지만 적어도 그녀는 다음에 등장할 카렌처럼 경찰에게 그렇게 폭력적으로 대하지는 않았습니다. 2023년 5월 26일 아침 청소부가 화장실에 들어가 청소하려고 이 여성을 나가달라고 요청했습니다. 하지만 그녀는 청소부에게 극도로 공격적으로 반응하며 고함을 치고 욕설을 퍼부었습니다. 경찰이 출동했고 이어지는 이 이상하고 폭력적인 상황이 발생했습니다.
You got ID on us?
No,
You don't?
no. Why do I need to give you my ID?
Because I'm conducting an investigation.
I'm going to report you when I get done. Give
Okay,
me the
what's your name?
information that I need, and I'm putting this. I'm telling
What's
you,
your
I'm
name?
filming this.
그녀가 신분증을 내놓는 것을 꺼려했음에도 경찰은 그녀의 이름이 마야라는 것을 알게 되었고 그녀가 아침에 벌어진 일들에 전혀 만족하지 않는다는 것도 알게 되었습니다. 상황이 시작된 지 몇 초 만에 이미 경찰관을 신고하겠다고 주장하며 불만을 드러냈습니다. 그리고 예상하셨겠지만 그녀의 만족스럽지 못한 태도는 여기서 멈추지 않았습니다.
Alright, ma'am, you can lose the attitude or I'll just put you in handcuffs.
You can do what you got to do.
You're not in control here, ma'am.
Yes, I am.
So, I'm gonna tell you right now, you can lower your voice, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs and take you to jail for disorderly conduct. I'm going to inform you of some city ordinances, such as we have a no camping in the city of Key West. Essentially, if you have a barrier between yourself and the ground, and or your personal elements, that is camping. It does not matter if you're asleep or not. If you're caught camping, from this point forward, you can and will be arrested.
경찰관은 마야의 상황과 관련된 몇 가지 법을 친절히 설명했습니다. 그녀는 지역 공원에서 캠핑 중인 것으로 보이는데 키웨스트시에서는 그것이 불법입니다. 하지만 예상대로 그녀는 이 지적에도 불쾌해하며 이 간단한 대화를 찍은 영상을 변호사에게 보내겠다고 위협했습니다.
So if you turn around and film this,
I did. I gave that to my lawyer
ma'am, stop.
yesterday.
Ma'am, I'm only going to tell you one more time not to raise
I'm
your
not
voice to me.
yelling. This is how
I
I
have not
speak.
yelled at you.
So don't
I have
ask
not
me
been
any questions because this is how I talk.
Ma'am, last warning. I'm just going to put you in handcuffs. You're not going to yell at me. You're not going to scream at me. You need to turn around and film the rules and regulations, all the parks and city beaches, because if you break any of those city ordinances, you can and will be arrested. Here's your identification. All these warnings will be annotated. Well, that's not very nice. That's very rude, actually.
안타깝게도 마야는 이 상황을 전혀 웃기지 않게 받아들였고 기분이 상해 경찰의 선처에도 불구하고 9일 일에 신고했습니다. 결국 경찰은 그녀를 놓아준 지 몇 분 만에 그녀를 다시 찾아내어 더 심각한 이야기를 나누기 위해 다시 논의에 들어갔습니다.
Put your phone down. Put your bag down.
They're arresting me now.
Turn around, face the wall. Put your hands behind your back. I'm arresting you for misuse of 911. You do not have a legitimate emergency, and you have 2 police officers standing in front of
Let's
you.
go so I can report you.
Stop. Face the wall.
Don't touch me. I do not want
Ma'am?
you patting me down or anything.
I don't care. That's not how this works.
Do not touch me.
Ma'am, stop. You're not getting in my vehicle unless I search you.
So you need to call a female. Do not fucking touch me.
That is not how
If
this
you
works.
touch me, I swear to God, I'm going to kick. I'm going to fight. I swear to God.
Separate your feet. Your
No,
hands.
you're not touching me.
Ma'am?
You're not touching my grab the phone. The phone. Stop me. Stop me. I got a sweat
You
on.
need to stop.
솔직히 말하면 그녀는 경고를 하긴 했습니다. 하지만 경찰이 말했듯이 그렇게 되는 게 아니죠. 마야는 단순한 대화를 어떻게 해서든 수많은 범죄 혐의로 바꿀 수 있는 교과서를 쓰고 있는 중입니다. 그리고 이 소동에는 우리가 보는 것보다 더 많은 이야기가 숨겨져 있었습니다.
No, I did not bite you. I did not fucking bite you.
Did I bite
What is that?
myself?
I did not do that.
Pull over.
You lying.
right there.
You squirt me, and I do have injuries.
Ma'am?
You see that shit?
You need to calm
Don't play
down.
with me.
Ma'am?
You threw me to the ground like a fucking man.
You tried to elbow me.
You can't.
Because you tried to touch my vagina.
Stop.
Get the from over me like
Do
that.
not.
Get off of me.
Stop.
If you squirt me up, that's more.
Well, you've already elbowed me, bit him.
Because you tried to touch my vagina.
Nobody tried to touch
And you
your
did
vagina,
not get
ma'am.
elbowed. You lying now. You trying to make the
okay.
situation worse. But I got it on camera.
And so do we.
마야는 체포 과정에서 경찰을 물고 발로 차고 뺨을 때리고 팔꿈치로 가격했습니다. 그런데도 그녀는 경찰이 자신에게 폭력을 행사했다고 주장하려 하고 있습니다. 결국 추가로 지원온 두 번째 경찰팀이 현장에 도착해 상황을 정리했습니다. 믿어지나요? 그녀는 여전히 폭력적이고 무질서한 행동을 계속했고 경찰관 폭행 2건, 체포 저항 1건, 그리고 9.11 남용 혐의로 구속되었습니다. 마야는 충분히 상황을 이해할 나이였지만 더 나은 판단을 하지 않았습니다. 하지만 18살짜리가 비슷한 행동을 했다는 건 더 실망스럽습니다. 이 소녀는 음주나 약물로 인해 크게 손상된 상태로 보인다는 다수의 신고를 받고 경찰에 의해 멈춰 세워졌습니다. 그녀는 도로를 이리저리 휘청이며 달렸고 반대 차선으로 들어가거나 차로 여러 물체를 들이받기도 했습니다. 명백히 그녀는 운전 상태가 극도로 위험한 수준이었습니다. 게다가 사고를 내고도 도주하려 한 것으로 보입니다.
Yeah? What kind of errands you running?
You know, grocery shopping, filling bills, just adult things.
Where were you coming?
On the way to pick up on my friend, and I don't like doing things by myself because I have anxiety, so I like people coming on rides with me. So I was gonna go pick her up so I can.
그런데 이 소녀가 어른들 일정을 마치기 위해 친구 외에도 다른 불안을 해소할 무언가가 필요했던 것 같습니다. 경찰은 즉시 앞 좌석에 의심스러운 직사각형 알약 몇 개를 발견했습니다.
Ma'am, is your ID in your purse?
Yes, it is.
All right, I'll get it. I'll get it. Hey, I said I'll get it. Stand over there at the end of your car. Do you hear me?
Okay, but if you were more respectful about it, if I'm just saying,
All right,
if we're all humans here, if you were more respectful about it, I'm just saying.
where's your ID at? Is it in here?
Can I look through my wallet? Well, like, why
Oh,
are
I
you
got
looking
it.
through my wallet? The thing is, that's my property. You have no choice.
Actually, I do because I found friggin' Xanax bars on your driver's seat. If you want to explain something, explain those.
Girl, the fact that you're just
218,
looking
copy
through my
recorded, yeah.
stuff.
They were in plain view.
대화가 계속되면서 그녀는 점점 횡설수설하고 혼란스러워 보입니다. 마치 자신이 이제 꼼짝 못한다는 걸 깨달은 듯 점점 더 대립적인 태도를 보이기 시작합니다.
Would you like to sit down on the grass over there?
I can sit down in my car.
No, you
What if I
cannot.
just have like hand up
No.
everything?
You're not getting back in your car. You can sit on the grass over there, or we can sit in the back of this car here, whichever one you prefer. Okay?
I'm gonna get my phone.
No, you're not. You're staying right here.
Okay, but why can't I get my phone to like at least have?
You're
my
not getting
own
back in that
thing?
car until they're done.
Okay, but I feel like I should be able to. It's my right to like record anything that's happening in
Everything's
my
being
life.
recorded right
I
here.
know, but why can't I record it for myself?
You're not going back in that car.
But why can't I? Record
You can request this recording.
You can come with me to my car. My phone
Hey.
is right on that seat. One of y'all can come to me to that seat to get my car.
안타깝게도 경찰은 그녀의 횡설수설에 질렸고 본격적으로 문제를 다루기로 했습니다. 그리고 그녀가 모든 걸 변명하려 애쓰는 모습을 보게 됩니다.
Has your car always been like that in the front?
Yes, I have. Yeah, honestly, what happened first? Okay, see this part of my car?
I do.
One day I came back from work, was getting off and shit.
Mhm.
That was missing. No clue how it was missing. It was missing.
When I got here, I saw your demeanor, your actions, and all that stuff, okay? I'm looking at your pupils, I'm looking at your eyes, and I think that you might be under the influence of some type of narcotic. Not alcohol, but I believe in narcotic,
Are you serious?
okay? So based off of what I'm seeing so far, would you be willing to do field sobriety tests to dispel my suspicions that you're under the influence of any type of narcotic?
이 검사를 거부하는 건 절대 좋은 선택이 아니지만 그녀가 테스트에서 보여준 형편없는 결과로 보아 법정에서 운에 맡기는 게 더 나았을지도 모릅니다. 예상했겠지만 그녀는 곧바로 수갑이 채워졌고 그때부터 그녀의 행동은 멍한 상태에서 위험한 상태로 변했습니다.
I'm looking for harassment. Harassment. Damn, girl. Touching me up.
Stay down. I said, stay down.
Yeah. You want to try that? Oh, you want to choke? William, go. Ow, ow. Oh, you want to choke me out, girl? You want to choke me out, girl? Holy. Oh, you really want to choke me out, girl? Bitch, I was not doing nothing to you. You want to choke me.
결국 혼란스러운 그녀는 뒷좌석에 겨우 태워졌고 이제 남은 유일한 위험은 그녀를 파출소로 데려다줄 경찰의 정신이었습니다.
Last time one of you guys took me to the mental hospital, my grandparents could not find me for weeks! Okay, and you officers were like, oh, you're gonna be okay, you're gonna say this is wrong, but all you guys do is lie!
That's gonna be a fun ride out there. Hey.
Yeah. Man, I can still hear her screaming. I can still hear her.
안타깝게도 그녀가 정확히 어떤 혐의를 받았는지는 알려지지 않았지만 DUI와 체포 저항일 가능성이 높습니다. 그리고 마지막으로 경찰에게 소리치는 카렌을 가장 흔히 볼 수 있는 장소는 바로 공항이죠. 솔트레이크시티 국제공항에서 이 여성은 통로 쪽 좌석을 포기하고 가운데 좌석으로 옮겨야 한다는 통보를 받았습니다. 여러 가지 이유로 합리적인 요청이었지만 그녀는 그 요청에 완전히 폭발하고 말았습니다. 그리고 역사상 가장 웃긴 카렌의 난동 중 하나를 보여줬습니다.
I told them, then the girls let me sit where I wanted to sit, and then they took me off the plane. But I walked off allowing. They did not arrest me. They did not handcuff me. They did not touch me to get off the plane.
What's going on? So nobody.
They need to let me, either they need to buy me a hotel ticket and get me back to New York, or they need to let me aboard the plane.
만약 그녀가 다시 비행기에 타고 싶다면 일단 좀 진정해야겠네요. 항공사들은 보통 고객의 편안함을 가장 중요시하잖아요. 그래서 탑승을 거부할 권리도 있는 거고요. 진정하고 사과하고 그냥 중간 좌석에 앉겠다고 하면 끝났을 문제인데 그녀 같은 사람에게는 그런 해결책이 너무 간단한가 봐요.
Your behavior, okay?
My behavior?
Yeah.
Okay,
There's-
I got a plane for the aisle seat. They gave me an E, which is a middle seat.
All right.
That is not
You
what I
have your
paid
ID?
for.
You have your ID?
What does that have to do with anything?
Right now the police are here. We're gonna find out the who, the why, the what. So I just need to know
Okay,
who
well,
you
you
are.
better.
Yeah, let's go have a seat
All right.
over there.
Let's come over here
Now.
so that.
Let's go have a seat over there.
All right, well, you better get me a hotel.
Now, sit down now. Sit
No,
down.
I would like to hear what people are saying.
Just have a seat.
You can have a conversation.
I am allowed to hear what they are
You can right
saying.
there, 'cause I'm gonna catch up with you.
Okay?
How is that thin ice? What have I done?
Or maybe like receive blunt.
They have tried to work with me by taking me
Not
off
blind,
the
they're like, we got
plane.
to conference it.
Well,
Just
what
can
did you
you
do on
say,
your
do you have a decision yet?
Ask them.
That's what Officer Cross, listen to me. He's gonna go.
What have I done on the plane?
Well,
I would like to ask you what I have done on the plane.
그녀의 행동은 점점 더 공격적으로 변하고 있습니다. 짜증에서 분노로 넘어가고 있죠. 경찰은 그녀를 진정시키고 다시 자리로 돌려놓기 위해 방어적인 태도를 취하게 됩니다.
You're gonna be
I
escorted
don't
out.
live
Delta's
here.
not flying.
I live in New York.
Well,
Good.
then, ID
Okay.
boarding.
Delta.
Dude,
has-
who's paying for my ticket?
You're gonna have to. You got refunded.
I got refunded
Let's go.
to live in Utah?
We're gonna walk out because you
I
are
don't
not a
live
Delta
here.
passenger.
I don't know anyone here.
You're
If
not a
anything,
Delta
I need to get a
passenger now.
ride back to New York.
Delta is denying you service, okay? Delta Airlines, a private company, is denying you service.
Why
We're gonna go to the other
though?
airline.
Because you guys denied me service. Why? You don't even know why.
Okay,
So
let's
you
walk
better
out.
get me a flight back
Grab
to
your
New
bag.
York.
Okay.
I don't live in Utah.
Jacqueline,
I've never
Jacqueline,
been here.
Jacqueline, Jacqueline,
Dude!
walk out. We can work on you.
Where am I gonna go?
I can answer those questions, but we're gonna walk out.
No, I don't want to go anywhere. Where am I gonna go to Utah?
그녀의 좌절감은 어느 정도 이해가 됩니다. 아는 사람도 없는 낯선 곳에 혼자 남겨졌으니 말이죠. 하지만 이런 태도로는 상황을 더 나쁘게 만들 뿐입니다. 그리고 이 상황의 결말은 이미 정해져 있는 듯합니다.
You keep doing this yelling, we're gonna look at criminal charges, okay? Disorderly conduct.
Dude, this is on you though.
This is not on me, okay?
Yeah, this is on
You
you.
caused a disturbance. They have deplaned
No,
a plane.
I did not cause a disturbance.
Jacqueline,
They told me I would get an aisle.
Jacqueline.
All right, dude,
they
give me my.
deplaced- Come here.
Give
come
me
here.
my. I didn't
Okay.
do.
Let's go tennis.
Stop!
Your hands behind your back.
Stop! I don't live in Utah.
Stop resisting. Hands behind your
I
back.
don't
Hands
live in
behind your back.
Utah.
Hands
I
behind your
don't
back. Stop resisting. Hands behind your back.
Ow! I live in
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Hands behind your back.
Let me just go home.
Yeah.
Let me just go home.
Put this
Let
hand
me
behind your
just
back.
go home. No.
Jacqueline.
Stop resisting. Ow.
Stop resisting.
Ow.
Put your hand behind your back.
Ow.
Stop resisting. Where's your car? Start. Come on, man. Get up. Right there.
이 체포가 그녀에게는 어쩌면 다행일지도 모릅니다. 적어도 이제 어디서 묵을지 걱정할 필요는 없을 테니까요. 그녀는 오늘 밤 감옥에서 보내게 될 테니 말입니다.